So it was Nikola Tesla who said, if you want to understand the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. And we're about to learn something fascinating about how blood flows. The field is the sole governing agency of the particle, blood being the particle. This is why it's important for humans to spend time in nature and admit that we need those connections to the sun and to the earth, that we're in relationship with the sun and the earth. But when we believe a Christian worldview that we dominate over, that leads us to a lot of self-destruction. A lot of self-destruction. Yeah, it's a signal going out. And physicists have proven that we're all energy bodies connected through our hearts, because our heart is what communicates, not our brain. As we just saw, that huge field that's created out through our hearts. And this is evidenced by, you've seen countless videos of dogs getting super excited 1 or 2 minutes before their owner comes home every single day. Well, how do they know the owner's coming home? Communicate through our hearts. We're all communicating constantly. Right. The heart has more neuronal cells than parts of the brain. They know this. So why aren't they teaching us that the heart is a vortex, which is like powerful like a black hole? Why do they want us to think that the heart just pumps? It's the gaslighting. When you say, "Oh, well, that means you're gaslighting with fear, guilt, and shame. Keep humans small. God's in control. You're subservient. The heart, just pumping blood." No, it's the facilitating a vortex inside of each human, because we live in a holographic universe and the universe is a mirror showing us ourselves. So each human's vortex projects their feelings outward, and then that hits the boundary of their energy, and what resonates with other people is what they're attracted to, and that's how we see ourselves. Right, coherence in the heart, because our emotions are controlled through our hearts, and when we know how to regulate our emotions, we have control over the self, like Andrew Huberman was talking about. So when I have control over myself, I can have conversations with people with completely opposite views of me, because I'm not constantly getting triggered because my emotional pain keeps coming to the surface. I've done the emotional work. I have reparented myself. I recalibrated my nervous system to resonate with love, compassion, and enlightenment instead of fear, guilt, and shame. And how does that work? When my energy field spends most of its time in love, compassion, and enlightenment, my nervous system is as well, because the field is the sole governing agency of the particle.